This tutorial covers how to activate the data analysis option in Microsoft Excel 2007. And so with Microsoft Excel launched, there are a couple ways to do this. One way is to simply go to the Add-ins tab in the Home ribbon or in the Home group. But another way to do it, and the way I'm going to show you how to do it, is to do it using by clicking on the Microsoft Office button, because in several instances you might not have this add-ons option available to you, and so I want to take you through the way that will guarantee that you can install the add-in. And so left click on the Office button here, and then after you do that, go to the Excel Options button at the bottom of this dialog box. Left click on that. And what you will see is a series of options here on the left side of this dialog box. And of course, you want to left click on the add-ins option here. And you'll see a number of application add-ins, either the active ones or the inactive ones. And of course, the inactive ones are the ones that are not currently available. And so if we wanted to activate any of these, we would have to do that. But the only one that we're interested in to be able to perform statistical analyses is to activate the Analysis Toolpak option. And so what you need to do is left click on that and highlight it. And then left click here on the Go button. And what it does is it brings up this simple dialog box here. And for those of you that remember doing this in Microsoft 2003, before you migrated to Excel 2007, this probably looks familiar to you. And so left click on this box here to get a check, and then left click on the OK button. What you'll see here, you might see this, typically see this little message here is basically saying Excel can't run the add-in. And so it's going to ask you if you want to install it. And so you want to say yes. But what Microsoft Excel is going to do is to literally try to install the add-in. This may require you to place your Microsoft Office 2007 CD in your CD-ROM drive. It may not require you to do that, and it may just be able to perform the installation of the add-in automatically. In other words, the add-in might already be loaded on your hard drive. All we're doing here is activating it. Once the dialog box or the status box disappears, that's an indication that the add-in was installed. However, we want to validate that indeed the add-in did get installed correctly. And so what we want to do is go to the Data tab up here and left click on that. And what you should see is a data analysis command group here in this area here. In other words, you see the analysis group, and within the analysis group you have a data analysis command. And so what we want to do is let's left click on that, and now we see our traditional data analysis series of options, which as you probably have noticed, if you use this in Microsoft Excel 2003, it's actually the same series of commands. And so this concludes the tutorial on how to activate the data analysis menu option in Microsoft Excel 2007.